Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Foodie Fridays and that's being hosted by SmallTown 6. Now I'm going to be linking her channel link down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure guys and watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody made for Foodie Fridays. Okay, so I had quite a bit of chicken cutlets and they're big enough, guys. These are so huge. So I'm cutting up two to make my son some keto-friendly soup. And we are starting out by cutting these in little cubes. Okay, now did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And clicking the like button and watching the video, this helps us to grow. And if you comment below, we would love to hear what you think about our video. Now make sure you wash your hands when working with poultry or really any kind of meat. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now, I'm not normally one who works with recipe cards. I am actually really bad at that because I wasn't raised that way to use recipe cards, but I can tell you what I'm putting in to this soup. So I cubed up 2 chicken cutlets and I put it in this pot. I use half of a container of chicken broth and then I season to taste. You can season with the spices that you like. It's supposed to be Mexican, but we're not doing it that way. I'm going to just put salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. And if you want, you can put some crushed red pepper in there. That's how I'm seasoning it for my son. We're also using a bag of the shredded Mexican cheese, a container of sour cream, and we're also using a cup of heavy cream. So these are the ingredients. Remember to season to taste and add a little bit more or less of whatever it is that you like to get the consistency that you want. Okay, now here I am adding a little bit of olive oil to this pan, and then we're going to go ahead and place the seasonings in here. Now at this point here, we're going to cook the meat and make sure it's cooked all the way through, and then add the rest of the ingredients, stir it up, and then cover it, and we're just going to let it cook for about an hour and a half on low. Okay, so I would love to invite you to come on over to my community tab where you will see a list of collaborations there. They're all open invites. I cannot wait to see you there. Now remember to come in and stir occasionally just to keep on checking the soup. You don't want anything to stick at the bottom since we added some cheese. Okay, so we now waited for like an hour and a half. It stirred it all up. It's nice and thick. The chicken is nice and soft. I'm gonna grab a bowl and serve myself some soup, and then we're gonna go to the reveal, guys. This soup came out absolutely amazing, and I'm loving the consistency. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to head on over to that playlist to watch Foodie Fridays and support everyone's channel. I also want to take a moment and thank the host, SmallTown 6, for hosting this collab. I'll see you in the next video.